guys, it's me, Ray. Hi guys, it's me, Ray. Raiden, it's your name. Raiden, say your name. Raiden, oh my gosh. Raiden, say your name. Hi guys, it's me, Ray. Okay. Where's the tree though? The tree is already coming. Hi! Hi! Oh. Oh, never mind. They said hi to that one. Imagine if suddenly joins and suddenly dying train starts. It's like, but if you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You will hear the whistle blow 100 miles. You're dying one, you're dying two, you're dying three. Hi, I'm good here. Hey, I wanna go pick up. Let me go to your convent station too. Good, you too. Stop pushing me, Ray, on my pen! You too. People, what the frick? Oh, Brain already joined. If you miss where I am going to hear that there is still no! You will know so good. I have to buy somewhere that I want to you and I to you and for you. I'll try find 100 miles home. 500 miles. Where's Braden? It says that the Braden joined. Nikos, hey, Nikos. Do you know what's Braden? Ew, what is that face? Never mind. Really saying, where am I? Where do you think I am? Braden. Hi, Braden. That was so crazy. Braden! Sit down. Let's be in the back. Braden! No! Oh my god, it's raining. Braden, it's raining. You have to go.
Why?
What's happening?
I want to go in a private server.
It's so foggy.
Go in a private server. Hey. I want to go in a private server. Hey.
Wait. You go to a private simulator. Right now we have to find out what's happening. What's over here? Did I just get hurt? stuck. Guys, where are you? Guys! I'm trying to push the button. It's not closing the door. Wait for me.
No!
Wait then. What's happening?
I don't know.
Wait for me, Brayden. Wait for me. We have to go find Riley. Oh, wait, Brayden.
No. Oh, yeah, you're there.
Brayden, no, stay here. Sit down. I think we're safe. Stand here, Brayden. You have to sit down.
Where'd Sean go?
You mean Riley? Where is she? They're chasing the train. Don't worry, Sarah, we're coming.
She's the other side.
Sarah! There's Sarah! Out! Go back, Sarah, get out! Sarah! I'm coming! It's infested! Sarah, I see you, Sarah! Come here, get up! Sarah! I'm here! But now it's Brayden. Where's Brayden? Let's go and check upstairs. See, let's go here. Come on. Feet. Open the door! Open the door! Oh my god! So don't open the door. Don't. I'm scared. Saya? Guys, ya? Sia? Go, press the number 1. Press the phone number 1. Brayden? Sia? I'm stuck down. Press the number 1. In the elevator. Press it. You have to go down. I am over there. I'm down. You need to help me because I'm stuck. Go down. Faster. Yes. Number 1. Press it. Yeah. Open the door. Go for Brayden. Go for Brayden. Go the elevator. Go the elevator. Press the elevator. Press the button. See ya. I queued it. Oh. Sia, stay here with me. Don't be scared, Sia. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay here, Sia. It's okay, Sia. It's okay, Sia. Oh my God. Okay, Sia. Run. Ah! Beta, I'm coming! It's being swamped. Brayden! Brayden, no! Brayden! Get out of the train! Brayden, Brayden! Get out here! Brayden, get out! Brayden, get out! Brayden, come here, come here! Come here, Brayden! Get down! Brayden! You are making me so mad, Brayden. Oh my god. Okay.